How to add or remove songs from playlist on Spotify. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can add or remove songs from your playlist on Spotify. Now the process is quite simple. You want to simply open up your Spotify application. Now I'll just head into a random album here quickly. Now if suppose you want to listen to this particular album and you're playing it right now, you want to add a song from it to your playlist, you can simply tap on three dots option along with the song that you'll get, and then you'll be able to see add to playlist option. Simply tap on add to playlist. Now if you have your playlist, you can simply add to playlist, or if you don't have, you can simply tap on create new playlist. You can give it a name and then simply tap on create option and it'll be created and it'll be added. Similarly, you can tap on three dots option on other songs and then tap on add to playlist, and then again tap on the particular playlist that you wish to add and it'll be added. Now if you wish to edit your playlist, you can simply tap on your library option at the bottom of your screen, and then you want to open up your playlist, and then here you'll be able to see your songs that you have on your playlist. Right here you can see I have two different on my playlist. You want to simply tap on it, and here you can remove from this playlist by tapping on remove from this playlist. So this we can add or remove songs from playlist on Spotify. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.